Are you looking for the best 23 gauge pin nailer? In this video, we will break down the top 6 23 gauge pin nailers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. MAKITA AF353. This pinner can handle a wide range of nails and has a magazine capacity of 130 pins. It is light at only 2 pounds and is designed for construction sites. You can use it with or without a NUMAX tip, 2 are included when you purchase the kit. There is a dual trigger safety to prevent accidents and increase job site safety. While the body, magazine, and cylinder are made of aluminum and are very durable, there are some parts that are made of plastic that have been known to break. 3 is a window on the magazine so you can see when you need to reload. One of the unique features of this pinner is it has a built-in air duster which helps keep the pinner clean and in good working order and can help keep the surface you are working on clean as well. Finally, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty for your satisfaction. At number 2. BOSTITCH HP118K. This power tool is making durable and reliable options. It offers a great build quality to the user. In fact, it is the most reliable and durable option. It uses aluminum for its construction that offers a great balance between strength and weight, due to which this pin nailer is quite lightweight and compact in size. Also, as for its performance, it offers the support for 23 gauge pins that can have a length ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 3/16 inches per your need. Since this is a pneumatic power tool, it needs to be connected to an air compressor using its 1/4 inch air fitting. Another great thing about this pin nailer is that it comes with a wide range of handy accessories for a high value for money. After all, it offers a 7-year long warranty that is much higher than other options out there. At number 3. NUMAX SB123. This 23 gauge micro pin nailer just might be the perfect tool for you. Although it is affordable, you can see that the overall construction is impressive and it is built to last. It is equipped with a powerful motor that can penetrate even the toughest of hardwoods. Also, the magazine is designed to be loaded from the bottom. The reloading is a breeze, but my only gripe is that the magazine can only accommodate 100 pin nails. You might need to reload frequently, especially if you work in a production environment. These micro pin nailers use very fine 23 gauge headless nails or pins to connect workpieces together. The shortest micro pin nail is 3/8 inches, while the longest is 1 3/8 inches. Because 23 gauge micro pins are finer, they usually leave a tiny and barely visible mark on the wood, making it ideal for pinning delicate workpieces. As well, this makes micro pin nailers ideal for use in crown molding, picture frame assembly, and decorative trim work. It is also great for crafts, sign work, and mirror assembly. Best of all, it is backed by a 1-year limited warranty and 30-day wearable parts warranty for your satisfaction. At number 4. METABO HPTNP35A. This 1 3/8 inch pin nailer fires 23 gauge headless pins which produce near invisible holes. This pin nailer makes convenience to the next level, coming with replaceable NUMAX tips that will help you avoid scratching your projects. It also automatically adjusts to a number of pin sizes, saving you time when you swap them out. Also, there is a reload indicator that lets you know when you're out, so you don't end up dry firing. A great feature of this pin nailer is its ability to adjust the depth that it will drive the pins on the fly, something that you have to adjust with air pressure in most other pin nailers. This will save you a lot of time in the long run. Above all else, there is with 5-year limited warranty for your satisfaction. At number 5. GREX P635. This is an excellent pin nailer for professionals and hobbyists alike, with a magazine that can hold up to 100 nails. Its durability and ability to hold 9 different lengths of 23 gauge pins are very impressive. What's more impressive is that the nailer automatically adjusts to the length of the pin you are using, preventing you from the hectic process of having to switch the settings manually. Also, you can use its tipped nose if it needs to be used in hard places. It has a NUMAX tip, so do not worry about it, leaving any kind of mark on your work. It's high enough pressure, the pins go in smoothly and barely leave a trace. Besides, its trigger has safety to prevent accidents, and it accepts fasteners of 1 3/8 inches maximum. This is a durable pin nailer. Its versatility and user-friendly features make it appealing to many users. Lastly, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty through this power tool. At number 6. FASCO 11297F. This pin nailer looks very professional and it can accommodate even longer 23 pins of 2 inches. It is a newer model that builds on strength. It also automatically adjusts different fastener lengths with a dry firing prevention mechanism. Also, its ability to host 2 inches pin size is quite rare in pin nailers, as we are glad to see this model accepts it. It can be used for fastening thicker material, and the holding strength of a 2 inches pin is much superior to a 1 3/8 inches one. The double trigger mechanism is also very handy and prevents trigger-happy users from misfires. It is also a great safety feature and will only fire when you want it to. The muffler makes this unit work silently, and the rear exhaust evacuates air away from the user. As well, the narrow nose easily reaches tight spots. It even comes with a carry case. Lastly, it is backed by a 1-year warranty on this pin nailer.